We are the bouncy, 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 bouncy druids. We go bouncing every Beltane at the dawning of the sun on our inflatable stone circle, having bouncy pagan fun. We go bouncing with our robes on until we all fall in a heap, waving our foam rubber torches and sacrificing blow-up sheep. We are the bouncy, 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 bouncy druids. We go bouncing on the solstice when the summertime is here. Then we let down our stone circle and fold it up for one more year. We are happy and delightful. We are harmless and we're good. Please don't think we're scary like in that movie with Edward Woodward. We are the bouncy, 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 druid.